Hey guys, are you having trouble linking different devices because you have just too many devices on your Bluetooth? All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to just erase everything at once. That way you don't have to go through each of these and then go to the bottom, push forget this device, each one, in case some of you probably have like, like so many devices. So what we're going to want to do, I'm going to show you, if you want to delete all the Bluetooth devices from your iPhone at once, there's no single button to remove them. You have to do it individually, but there is a hidden way to reset everything. So we're going to go to open settings. So once we, go to this symbol right here, open settings, then we're going to tap general. And then from general, we're going to go down and then hit transfer or reset iPhone. Go ahead and go there. And then after that, we're going to want to go to reset network settings. So then reset. And then there's reset network settings right here on the second one. And then go ahead and put your password. And then we're going to go and reset network settings. Now, this is going to actually erase all the Bluetooth devices, but it's also going to erase your Wi-Fi networks and VPN settings, okay? But then your iPhone will restart and then all the Bluetooth pairings will be cleared at once. After this, you'll need to reconnect your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices again. So that's one caveat, but then let's wait